not done anything with this front porch since fall. So let's get this cleaned up and ready. Okay. Now I brought out the load of Christmas decor. The porch cleaned up, and then we're gonna start setting some of this stuff up. We have an outdoor garland that I used out here on the front porch, and I guess it was 3 years ago, I used this blue. So I'm gonna strip away all of this old decor off of this garland, and I'm using red for the front porch this year. So I'm gonna get that together.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. If you're new here, I'd like to welcome you for the first time and invite you to come back as a family member by clicking on that subscribe button. Today, I'll be decorating the front porch for Christmas. So if you'd like to see how everything comes out, just keep on watching. Here you see me embellishing the Christmas garland with bows and flowers and lights. Next, I'll be bringing in some topiaries that I already had on hand. Last but not least, a beautiful front door wreath.
And this is an old store-bought wreath. I just kind of zhuzhed it up with some deco mat.
Adding texture is what is going to make your front porch feel nice and cozy. So I came in with some pillows and blankets to match my red and white color scheme. I filled the basket with an extra garland because nobody wants to look at an empty basket. And then I came in with a throw from Walmart and added that to the front of the basket to complete the look.
I came back in with some Walmart poinsettias that I bought many years ago. And I'm just going to put some rocks in those to weight them down because these will blow on a windy day. And I also brought in these little wicker reindeer. And inside those, I have these little figurines that I'm going to saw me bring these out, but I never used them. These were my mom's. So I'm just going to sit them inside the baskets. And I also weighted those down. I also added over here on this side my grapevine wreath. I have my lantern. Then I'm going to take the rest of this light strand and put it inside my lantern. That does look very nice. Just a couple of finishing touches and I'll bring you in for a closer look. The lights just came on, and I wanted to give you a nighttime look at everything.
Thank you for tuning in once again to Amethyst Adventures. I hope this video gives you inspiration to start your Christmas decorating in your home. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, and until next time.